guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to be showing you guys 8 different phone photography hacks. So I came up with a lot of these on my own because I was trying to look around YouTube and Pinterest to find some hacks, and there really wasn't that many for your phone, which I found really surprising actually. For the first hack, we will be making a vintage effect. Start by cutting a small piece of black construction paper. With your pencil, poke a small hole directly in the middle of the paper. Now you're going to want to tape it to your phone, but be sure not to get any tape on your screen because it may wreck it. Now you can just take your pictures. For hack 2, take some clear tape and cut out a small piece. Then take a little bit of cornstarch and sprinkle it over the sticky side of the tape. Then gently blow over the tape, getting off any excess cornstarch, and then you're just going to want to stick it onto your phone, but do not stick the tape directly onto the lens. And now you're ready to take some pictures. These pictures turn out really cool. They have a really neat foggy effect to them. This is just a quick tutorial on how to use the light exposure setting on your phone. Go to the settings icon on your camera and you will see the exposure setting. Tap on it and move the little bar up and down, and you will notice that controls the light exposure. I find this really helpful for taking pictures of sunsets. For this hack, all you will need is a twig leaf or anything you can find outside. Hold it above your phone for a super cool and unique effect. So this next hack is super useful. All you will need is a hair tie, flashlight, and plastic bag. Put the plastic bag over your flashlight and secure it with the hair tie, but make sure there's enough air in there so it kind of looks like a bubble. And then just turn on your flashlight and you have this super cool DIY light, and it gives such a natural glowing effect. Here I am showing you the difference between flash and our DIY light. As you can see in the difference, the flash is more harsh and the DIY light gives a more glowing natural effect. So this next hack is my favorite. All you're going to need is a water bottle, and for the person taking the picture, lie on the ground and make sure the flash is on your phone. Right before you take the picture, squirt the squirt bottle up in the air above your phone, and you will get this really neat and really awesome rainfall effect. This is why this one is my favorite, because it looks just so cool, and we even took some pictures of my cat and he just looks so majestic. For this hack, you will need a small plastic bag, hair tie, and a pencil. Take your pencil and poke a small hole in the center of your bag. And then with your fingers, you are going to want to make the hole slightly bigger just by ripping it. And then you're just going to slip it right over your phone, but make sure that the hole is directly over your camera lens. And then just secure it with a hair tie. And you're ready to take some pictures. So I like this one because it gives a similar effect to the cornstarch one that we did at the beginning of the video. This last hack is more of just a reminder that you will get the best lighting at sunrise, sunset, and also when it is cloudy. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And please remember that you don't need a phone to take these pictures. You can use any other camera. And just remember to be creative with your pictures. Bye guys!